Today we will try to fix these broken handles, which both of them somehow broken down. We're gonna use these original parts from Husqvarna. Let's have a look. Both are the same. So, first of all, what we need to do is to unscrew these 12 screws here. So for that we're gonna use this T20 Torx screw. Okay, so we can start. Unscrew them all, then cut this sticker, and we will take this out and replace with the new parts.
Look.
Okay. Okay, so we unscrewed all these 12 screws, and now we will just take out this top part. Of course, this needs to be cut out, but be aware that your warranty will not work because of this sticker. Okay, so we are taking this out, then this switch. And as we see, both of these handles broken at the same place, so it looks like some kind of weak spot. Very strange that they've broken down both in the same time. So as we see, these are handles that need to be replaced. So we need just to take them out gently, not to break them down. And doesn't matter which one you put first, just squeeze it in. Second one. Okay, let's need to put them both at the same time. We place this into place, looks quite good. So we'll turn that upside down, put it into place. Like this. Okay, and test it out. Looks like it's working. So now we need to screw in and test if it's working.